billed as a speech where Theresa May was fighting for her political life after weeks of leadership maneuvers by senior figures in her cabinet. Almost everything that could go wrong did go wrong for the Prime Minister at the Conservative Party conference. The combination of a prank, a hacking cough, and the words on the set collapsing behind her meant that few will remember the policy initiatives she announced on housing, organ donation and energy prices. Here's how the disaster unfolded, and how the internet reacted. The P45 prank play video. 111 prankster interrupts Theresa May's conference speech to hand her fake P45 video. Simon Brodkin, who had showered fake banknotes onto Sepp Blatter when he was FIFA president, interrupted May to present her with a P45, which he said Boris Johnson had told him to give her. Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest. Simon Brodkin gives the thumbs up to the Foreign Secretary, Boris Johnson. Photographed, Christopher Furlong. Getty Images. The note he handed her was subsequently found on the conference floor. Robert Peston, at Peston, The Pranksters. P45, found by May's lectern pic. Twitter.com, RNVCQY9JXJ, October 4, 2017, and the images of her being handed her termination paper were easily and quickly photoshopped into gags on Twitter. Philly. BooYRNE, at Philip Byrne. Not sure why, but I photoshopped the dude handing May a copy of Iron Maiden's Power Slave and it's good. Pic. Twitter.com, AI4BDKXR08, October 4, 2017. The cough. It wasn't long after the P45 stunt that May's voice began to fail her and she started on an extended coughing fit, which inhibited the delivery of much of the speech. Play video. 048 Great Expectorations. Theresa May battles a conference coughing fit. Video. At one point the Chancellor, Philip Hammond, handed her a cough suite, and May ad-libbed that you very rarely saw the Chancellor give anything away for free. Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest. The Chancellor, Philip Hammond, hands a cough suite to Theresa May.